Hello guys, it's your girl Blessing the farmer. So someone asked why I choose layer poultry farming over broiler poultry farming. It's because of its reliability. Layer poultry farm has a very big reliability. If we're taken care of, your bird will constantly keep producing. They'll keep rewarding you if we're taken care of. They will keep rewarding you. And they will serve you for like 2 years. Keep laying egg for like 2 years. And after that 2 years, you can sell them over and start up again and start raising younger ones. This is the reason, one of the biggest reason why I choose layer poultry farming over broiler poultry farming. I don't know if you get this message right or if it is clarifying something. So if not, please just tell me what you understand or what you think about this video in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you. That is the only way you can assist. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.